Right from Cambridge! I like it more than a corner. He's 11:55. Time to go to Bedford. What's about on time? I told Stouty! Get those Stouty, fuck's sake! Some fucking socks. Double. Get to Littlehampton. Yeah, 377 436. Cheers, 463. 463 on the way and 436 at the front. I think it's Cambridge. GX? Yeah. It's a C2C. GX. Oh, it's not C2C. Okay. 3024. 09 there. Hand your head, please. Tap them up. Put it hands in your head, please. Three. Looks like it's Eastbourne. Tampa's on. 9 minutes early. C2C. Is this C2C? Yeah. Oh, GX. It's by Santa train. Is it? Yeah. Come on, Santa train. Come on. Come on, Santa train. Here he is, 37216! Yes! 321! I'll keep recording. 2-1! I told you, a C2C. It's going to be Cambridge. Oh. Here's Cambridge. Brighton to Cambridge. Brighton to Pankers on that rough. London Bridge to Pankers on that rough. 70133. Hard way for camera, thank you kindly. Well, that's 1 hour. Hell the wind! So it's Santa train heading to Eastbourne. We got on a £12.19 a couple of weeks ago. Hand to your head, please. Southern. Oh, someone's about to watch about 4 minutes early. Now, past one, what's about 4 minutes early? 377, 314. Cheers. 377, 314 was about a minute early. 4 minutes early. I checked real time trains. Real time, it was about an hour ago. Yeah, it's about 3 minutes early.
Will you throw the doorway?
That is GN units. That's
Put your
GX.
blanket around you for a minute.
Can you get one, please? You do it. So, present to one, 217 divided was about what time? Thank you. Round me, please. Yeah. Let's talk about it. Show them for GN. 222.
Back on in a minute.
But
In the doorway, perfect.
it's probably at a chest number. Probably not. Put some of the 15151. What I want, yeah, 151. I'm a small number. Aww. 2 minutes early. Go on, 6 hours Friday sometime. Back. Not too bad. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Come on. Ah, shit. Oh, Southern, I told you, X. It hurts. Littlehampton, London, Victoria. Littlehampton to London, Victoria. 377462. Yes. And then 406. 06, sorry. 462. 462. Yes, but
Brilliant.
the 2 voltage
Well,
unit.
police born trying to
Hold on. It's my GX, XC2C, GWR, or GN. Might be 4 liveries. Or 387. Oh yeah, 10 support 700s from Siemens. 115 units. It's a GX, GWR, XC2C, or GN. So 1220 about. C2C. 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 Oh, C2C. Oh, it's GN. 30123. Oh, it's 30217. 30217 to the rear. I wish sure it's the C2C. C2C. Now, I'm only 12:25. Time to go is 2 Bedford. What's about a minute early? 2 minutes early. And I'll get here 700. Oh, Cambridge. Come here, just have to come on. Oh no, it's normal livery. It's a Peter Horsham, 700 110 pounds for Bedford. To restore the 3 bridges. Sorry. I'll go to the corner. I'm going to the corner. I'll keep recording unless the Cambridge laboratory here shortly. What's about me early? Yeah, here's Cambridge. Wait! Seven one. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. Whee! 12:25 attempts to go to Bedford. 700 110. We could have gone it because I choose Cambridge. Soda bench, please. It's probably 387. How's the level we won again? How's it again? I couldn't see it this time. How's the level we won again? Oh my god. Oh, Southern. Southern. What's a sub? How's your head, please? Keep back. Ah, 465. Repeated. 212, 240 on the rear. What? That's my fucking hands. Come here, what's going on? Come here after the train. It's probably C2C. Is it C2C, GWO, GN? Oh, it's GX. Oh, it's GW units. Back to London Victoria. Hands your head, please. Oh, Pheasant 222. And Pheasant 26 training. Receive from there. Sorry.
No, anyway.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Cambridge. Come on, the NHS. 706. Hey! Yeah? In a minute. Hold on. We'll do that shortly. C2C. And GN. Prison 304. And what do you want? Give me some more cameras back to each month, please. 5 months. Oh, C2C. 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 Turn around. Oh, Prison 303. And Prison 223. Prison 303.
Of the track.
Yeah.
This train is currently at 3 bridges.
3 bridges.
Don't shout, please. Right, come here.
Hold on. You in the way. Please. Oh, 7. I thought it was GX. Double? Yes. Hands your head, please. Oh, this is a 454. 3741. Press 118. And press 112. Oh, press 128. I'll keep recording. Press 118, 12. Double XGN.
Train is called 12.
So on 131. Double XGN. Eastbourne Victoria. All Victoria is Eastbourne. We saw Pheasant 373 come about 3 months ago. We saw it. Yeah, can see what location. My map with a silly unit. Can see what's going on. Ah! Oh! 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 Very fucked. Coach doesn't fit the platform. We need platforms. When a 1313 approaches, we go to this side. See a train approaches. See approaches. There he is, Bedford. Now running 12:55, 767 to Bedford. Always about a minute early. Always about a minute early. It's 700 121. Yeah, 700 121. That's 700. Alright, so I'm going to look at my timetable and what's going on. So we're going to see 3,000 combo in 2 weeks to 18th. You go to the station until 12 days. When am I at Lewis? When am I? Next week there are diverts taking place. Next week there are diverts taking place between Three Bridges, Brighton and Hampton. Look at next week the NHS Thamesing might go to London Bridge, okay? Yeah, next week the NHS Thamesing might go to London Bridge. That will be it, okay? And then we'll do all the stops for these horses in London Bridge. And then we'll, normal ones to Peterborough and then the NHS will go to London Bridge. The 12:55 times to go to Bedford. See another one approaches. 15 very fucked.
Don't say that word, please. Come on, why do you say words like that? There you go, hang on, just twist it. There you go, okay? Thanks,
yeah, thanks, Mum. Oh, 7. Now past 5, bound for Littlehampton. Old real-time trains. Straight train's about 15 minutes. Right, double 377. Cheers, 377 427. One light and 377 472 trailing. There's one light in that carriage. There's that one yellow light, one yellow light. 377 and 211. Yeah, 211. From Brighton to London Victoria. What is it? 377 and 225. Off to Eastbourne. Oh, 139. Oh, thank you. It's not the NHS. It's not. No. No, it's normal, it's not your NHS. Oh. 9, 13, 4 minutes. I'm gonna get 5, you're gonna get 10 tones this time. Hang on. There he is! There he is! NHS! 111! Thank you! Yay! We're about 20 minutes late. Let's keep them rolling. Oh, we weren't ready to 124 yet? We hadn't been on it yet? Huh? Oh, GX. C2C! C2C! Oh, Gatwick Express. 387 to 12. And 387 306. 120! Great Northern. I'll do the Southern. Here's Southern. Okay, past one. Someone's ready to Brighton. Was about 4 minutes late. Someone's ready to Brighton. 4 minutes late. 377 304. 377 304 to Brighton was about 4 minutes late. 4 minutes late, and there's a black wheel at the back of the train. I'll keep them rolling. Let's see the start approaches. See you in a minute. Now pass on the freight train, West Victoria, West up 3 minutes late. Hands delivery to 59103. Hands delivery. Come on, gears and tones. Thank you. Okay, here's 59103. 59103. What is a mouse? What's that? 4 minutes late. Now, one of three minutes about to West 2 Crawley, 4 West 3, 4 minutes late at this stage. 59103, Village of Mouse.
Slowly, what number?
59103, Village of Mouse. $6068, that's the route code. Now I'm going to turn 1316, 1060 to Bryce. It was about a minute late. Yeah, late. Looks like 700. It's 700 128. Tourism was bought to Southern, tourism was in Southeastern. Sorry. Thank you. 1316, 1067 to Bryce. It was about a minute late. Huh?
This way.
Oh no. Oh! Not stopping but for one. I'll keep rolling. Yeah. 16% I'm fine. 16% I'm fine. It's cable charging, you said. I told you for for 120. That's why I said 306. Oh, GX. Oh, 3722, 205, 203. It's 203 in a minute. Alright. Oh, hello, 377, 4158. 103 on the rear.
East Surrey.
Now run this our trainee 1325 10 goes to Bedford. It's 700 151. It's returned. Hey, oi, oi. Coast 12, door 1. Coast 12, door 1. I'll sit in this seat at Fridge Ridges. Thanks for watching. This is my 112 subscriber special. See you on the 3 bridges. See you in a minute.